Your paycheck hits your account at midnight, and in the first 72 hours after that deposit, most people make the same mistake in the same order every single month. It's not overspending. It's not laziness. It's a sequence. Because here's the thing nobody teaches you. The order your money flows in matters almost as much as the amount that flows in. Two people can earn the exact same paycheck, spend the exact same total, and end up in completely different financial positions 10 years later, purely because of the order in which the money moved. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact order your paycheck should flow, step by step.
And I'm going to spend extra time on step 2, because step 2 is where almost everyone, even people who are genuinely good with money, gets it wrong. Not slightly wrong. Wrong in a way that quietly costs the average worker tens of thousands of dollars over a career. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple flow you can set up once, mostly automate, and stop thinking about. If that kind of breakdown is useful to you, subscribe. This channel exists to show you the real math behind money, not the guesswork. Let's start with the order most people actually use, because you can't fix a sequence you've never looked at.
For most people, the flow looks like this. The paycheck lands, the bills come out, the spending happens, and whatever survives at the end of the month, if anything survives, gets saved. Spend first, save last. It feels natural because it's the default. But look at what that order actually says. It makes saving the only step in the entire flow with no protection. Rent has a due date. The phone bill has autopay. The streaming services take their cut without asking. Every other destination for your money defends itself. Savings just waits at the back of the line and hopes.
And hope, it turns out, is a terrible budgeting strategy. So the first fix isn't about spending less. It's about reordering the line. Step 1. Cover the 4 walls. Housing, utilities, food, transportation. The 4 things that keep your life running. Before anything else gets a dollar, these get funded. Because no financial plan survives if the foundation cracks.
Notice what's not in this list. Not the gym membership, not the subscriptions, not dinner out. Those aren't walls. Those are furniture. Furniture comes later. For most people, the 4 walls take somewhere between 50 and 65% of take-home pay. If yours takes more than that, the problem isn't your order, it's your baseline. And that's a different video. Now, step 2. The one almost everyone gets wrong. Ask most people what comes after the essentials, and they'll say one of 2 things. Build your emergency fund, or attack your debt. Both sound responsible. Both feel productive. And for millions of workers, both are the wrong second step. Because if your employer offers a retirement match, step 2 is capturing every dollar of that match. Full stop. Here's why this beats everything else in line. An employer match is the only place in your entire financial life where money doubles the moment it arrives. You put in $1, your employer puts in $1. That's a 100% return, instantly, guaranteed, before the market does anything at all. No savings account pays that. No debt payoff earns that. Even a credit card charging 30% interest costs you less per dollar than what a full match pays you. And yet, the free money goes unclaimed constantly. Retirement plan research consistently finds that a meaningful share of workers leave part or all of their match on the table, forfeiting hundreds of dollars a year, every single year. Not because they're careless, because nobody ever showed them the order. They were told to pay off every debt first, or build 6 months of savings first, and by the time those were done, years of matching had already expired behind them. Match dollars don't roll over. Every year you skip is a year of free money that's gone permanently. So here's the rule. After the four walls are covered, contribute exactly enough to capture the full match. Not more, yet. Not less, ever. If your employer doesn't offer a match, Step 2 proceeds directly to Step 3. But check first, because a surprising number of people have a match they've never once looked into. Step 3, the starter cushion. Before you go to war with your debt, you need a small buffer between you and life. 1 month of essential expenses sitting in a separate account. Not the full emergency fund. Not yet. Just enough that a car repair or a dental bill doesn't land on a credit card and undo your progress. Think of it as a shock absorber. It's not there to make you feel rich. It's there to keep one bad Tuesday from restarting your whole plan. Step 4, high interest debt. Now the gloves come off. Anything charging double-digit interest, such as credit cards, payday loans, and high-rate personal loans, gets every spare dollar. Here's the way to think about it. Paying off a card charging 24% is the same as earning a guaranteed 24% return. No investment on earth reliably offers that, which is exactly why this step comes before investing beyond the match. Notice the order, though. The match came first, because 100% beats 24%. The math sets the sequence, not the feelings. Step 5, the full emergency fund. With the expensive debt gone, the cushion grows into a wall. 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Closer to 3 if your income is steady and your household has 2 earners. Closer to 6 if you're self-employed, commission-based, or the only income in the house. This is the money that turns a layoff from a catastrophe into an inconvenience. Step 6, invest beyond the match. Now, and only now, the flow points toward growth. Retirement accounts beyond the match, broad index funds, a house down payment if that's your goal. This is where your money stops protecting you and starts multiplying. And because every earlier step is already funded, this money can stay invested through downturns, which is the entire secret to compounding actually working. Let's make this concrete with 2 people. Same job, same paycheck, same total spending. Person 1 uses the default order. Spend first, save whatever survives, and skip the match because retirement feels far away. Person 2 uses the flow. 4 walls, full match, starter cushion, high interest debt, full fund, then invest. Year 1, their lives look identical. Same apartment, same car, same coffee. Year 5, person 2 has quietly collected 5 years of matched dollars, thousands in free money, and all of it has been compounding the entire time. Year 10, the gap isn't a number anymore. It's options. One of them can change careers, survive a layoff, walk away from a bad situation. The other one can't. Same paycheck, different order, different life. So here's the action to take from this video, and it's specific. Tonight, open your payroll portal and check 2 things. Does your employer offer a match, and are you capturing all of it? If the answer is no, fix step 2 first, before the bigger emergency fund, before the extra debt payments. The free money expires. Everything else can wait 1 paycheck. Then set the rest of the flow to run automatically, transfers on payday, in order, before you ever see the money. Because the flow only works if it doesn't depend on willpower. If breakdowns like this are useful to you, the real order, the real math, none of the guesswork, subscribe. And drop a comment. Did you check your match, and what did you find? I want to see how many people discover free money this week. Building your financial floor plan, 1 video at a time.